Hello. Let me just get set up for you guys really quick. If this wants to do it for me. There we go. Okay. I am Daniel from warnzola.com. Alright. And I'm going to show you how to make a WordPress post today. Okay. This is Gardner Lock Shop. This tutorial is actually for them. Shout outs to Gardner Lock Shop in Fort Pierce, Florida. Very nice shop. If you ever need any key duplications, go to them. Very nice people. Okay, so how to make a WordPress post. First things you need is an administrator username and a password. I have that, you will have that too, okay? Then you need some media, maybe some pictures. I got some pulled here and saved onto my computer from Gardner Lock Shop's Facebook. Okay, I also have some filler text that has just been generated for me because I'm not that great of a writer. And this is a website that I'm going to use that will host my images. Because my server at the moment is secured, it won't let WordPress upload any kind of media up to my server, so I cannot do it. It's security reasons. I don't want anyone uploading any kind of pictures to my server, so I use a outsourced image hoster, okay, which is imgur.com. You don't need to sign in and register for them. I will show you that in a moment. So, Gardner Locksmith. This is their website and how you log in. Usually on WordPress, the website, they have this little panel here. Ask you if you wanted to log in, if you want to register. Here we want to log in. If there is not one here, it's usually /wp.admin to log in, and you can log in from here. Okay, now we have a panel here, so it's easy to navigate to. We'll just log in from here. Alright, log in with your administrator name and your password, and it brings us here to our dashboard. Okay, to go back to our website, we just click right up here, and we still have our administrator dashboard up here. To go back to the dashboard, we just hover over this and click dashboard, and we're right back at our dashboard. Okay, now this is a lot of options. Most of them you probably don't want to touch. These up here are very safe for you to touch. These down here, not so safe. Let's just go ahead and look at our post. Alright, now here, this will be where all of our posts will be listed, and we can edit them and delete them and do whatever we need to do. Now we need to add a new post is what we're doing today. So let's add a new post by clicking this button or going up here and clicking this button. Okay, now when we click that, we are going to be brought here to this post window where we enter the title of our post, which will be "A Great New Antique Safe is Quite a Contradiction." Alright, now to insert or upload media, you're going to click this here. But before we do that, I'm going to show you what we will have to do to, okay, now here, okay, we have a very nice picture of a very nice antique safe. Okay, so now we are going to save this image as, put it on our desktop or whichever folder. We'll put it in my pictures. Okay, we'll make it safe 02. Okay, now that's save onto my computer. Now I'm going to upload it back onto the internet, but onto this website called imageur.com. Okay, and we're going to upload it from my computer. We're going to navigate to where the picture that I want to upload is, and select that picture and start my uploading, and here's our picture uploaded on ImageGUR. Alright, or ImageGUR, IMGUR. Confusing. Okay, well, here we go. This is the link we want. We want our direct link. We don't want this one. We don't want this one. We don't want any of these down here. We want this one right here, our direct link. Boom, copy. Very easy. Click, open here. Now, we can drag and drop our files here, but like I was explaining earlier, my hosting will not let anybody upload files. It's a very easy option. I just use that because there's a lot of people that are on my server, and I just don't like them using all of my space. So let's use it from the URL, which is this URL we just got from here. Okay, so going to give this, put it into our URL box. Checked out, good. Title. Okay, so now that we have that and that, we can put alternate text, image caption. All that's good. I usually don't do it because I like the images just to be plain old Jane. Alright, so left align, center align, right align. This is for your text wrap, how your image is going to sit and where your text is going to wrap it. I wanted to wrap my image on the right, so my image will be on the left. Okay, insert that into the post. A little big, so let's resize it. You resize the image by clicking on it and pulling these corners down, and then pulling these corners up, or however you pull the corners usually resizes the image. Boom. Alright, now I always run into something here. Okay, this is where I always mess up. Okay, now right now the image is still selected. Alright, it's still selected. I can't get off of it for some reason. This is a bug. I don't know why this happens, but I'll show you how to get around this. Okay, you click this tab here, HTML tab. This is the hard code. This is the code of your site. You see this here? This is the image. This is the code that tells the server where the image is, how the image is displayed. Okay, now I'm going to click at the end of this code. Boom. Go back to visual. Now my text is here. Now I'm back. Okay, so control copy. Control C is copy. Or you can just do this copy. I'm copying my filler text, and I'm pasting my filler text. Now my post is completed. Okay, now I have my paragraph, I have my images, everything's in there nice. Now there's a few other things you might want to learn here. Tags. Tags are like anything like you want to say antique or safe, anything like that, you put it in there. Featured image, you really don't have to worry about that. It's gonna mess with the theme, or you can put it in there. It doesn't really matter. If you wanted to do it. Categories, add new category, antique. Alright, so we added a category. Did we add a category? I don't know if we did or not. Let's see. Antique. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so our categories for this is a product, and it's an antique, and it could be a safe too. Add new category. Boom. So we got our categories under safe, antique, and products. We keep on adding categories as the blog posts or your posts grow. Okay, so we got those three categories plugged in, and we got our post all ready to go. And the last thing to do is either to save it as a draft. If you're not done with your post, you can just keep on saving it and save it as a draft. Keep on adding it to it until you're ready to publish. Alright, Now let's preview our post to make sure everything looks good. Yes, I like it. Very nice. Alright, let's go back to our post and let's publish this post. And now we are published. Very nice. Okay, now let's go back to our all posts. Now here, oh look at that, I misspelled. Here, this is where all your posts are going to be lined up. Here you can edit or quick edits, like editing this out like that, and then we can update. Okay, now when we go back to our original website, here's our post, and it's right here, all nice and laid out for us. And all the new posts that you keep on adding are just going to keep on lining down the way. And read more, and it pulls up that one post that they selected to read more about, and now they can leave a comment and do whatever they like. This is the reasons why I love WordPress. It's very easy to work with. It's very easy. Again, new post, enter post, media, blah blah blah. If you need help, just go back and replay this video. Go over the imagegur, imgur.com, imagegur. Very confusing. Anyways, imageur.com, and here you will be able to upload your files and do all of that good stuff. Okay? Alright. Thank you. My name is Daniel Anzola, and I'm with warrenzola.com.